Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of A Journey Through Apostolic Succession. The CCC 882 says the Pope, Bishop of Rome, and Peter's successor is the perpetual invisible source and foundation of the unity both of the bishops and of the whole company of the faithful. For the Roman Pontiff, by reason of his office as Vicar of Christ and as pastor of the entire church, has full, supreme, and universal power over the whole church, a power which he can always exercise unhindered. Today we hear about our 121st Pope, that is Pope Lando. Pope Lando is a native of the Sabina and the son of Taino. His reign was from about September 913 to about March 914. The Liber claims that he sat on the throne of Peter less than 6 months. Let's hear some facts about Pope Lando. There are not many historical records available about his life or time as Pope during his short reign. It is not known for certain if Pope Lando's predecessor, Pope Anastasius III, a younger man, appointed him, or perhaps King Berengar may have influenced Pope Lando's appointment. It is known that he was considered worthy of the papacy. The church's bios on Pope Lando indicates that he was a humble man of charitable nature. During his short papal reign, the only known action of Pope Lando was that he donated his own personal funds to rebuild the Cathedral of San Salvatore that had been destroyed during an Arab raid. As many popes of this era, little is known, even to how they died or where they were buried, and Pope Lando is one. He was succeeded by Pope John X. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay tuned for the next video. For Christ and for the Church, God bless you all.